Welcome to the channel. Today, we're going to show you how to unhide a chat on Gmail using your PC with the latest update. If you've archived emails and want to bring them back to your inbox, this guide is for you. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in Gmail, look at the left side of your screen and click on More. This will expand the menu to show all your email folders. Next, select the All Mail folder from the list. This folder contains all the emails you've received or archived, so it's where you'll find the hidden messages. Now find the email you want to retrieve. Archived emails won't have the inbox label, so they should be relatively easy to spot. When you've located the email you wish to recover, open it. Look for the option that says Move to Inbox and click on it. This will return the email to your main inbox where you can easily access it again. And that's it. Your email is now unhidden and back in your inbox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more Gmail tips and updates. Thanks for watching.